Hey, it's Amanda Miller, professional makeup artist. Today I want to show you the do's and don'ts on what to do with your hooded eyes. If you feel like this is something you struggle with, then keep watching. I want to tell you something. I want to be very, very clear. I'm a firm believer that there are no rules to makeup. You do whatever you feel beautiful doing. However, if you feel like you might be looking a little tired or your eyes might be looking a little bit droopier and you just want to give that illusion of being more awake and bright-eyed and lifted, these are the techniques that artists use to create those illusions. And I am here to serve you and to teach you these techniques. I want to teach the everyday women how to do their makeup in certain ways that it just bumps up their makeup game. I'm not here to tell anybody that they're doing anything wrong. Do what makes you feel beautiful. But if you want to learn these illusions or these true makeup artist tricks, I am here to teach you, and I hope you found this helpful or inspirational, or you pick something up. Please don't think I'm telling you you're doing anything wrong, because if you like this look, by all means, please do it. But if you feel like you want to be a little bit more open, these are the tools, these are the tips, and these are the tricks that will get you that look. I always recommend when you're filling in your brows to make sure that you're not drawing the tail end of your brow down. Instead, what you want to do is start from the top of your arch when you're filling in your brows, and you want to drag that tail end of your brow out towards the temple. What that does is creates a little bit more open space between the outer edge of your eyebrow and your eyeball instead of dragging your eye down. My next tip is to not apply a bright shimmery shade all over the hooded area of your eye. All that's going to do is draw attention to that hooded area. Instead, what you want to do is to create an illusion of a lifted eyebrow. Apply that shimmery bright shade right under the arch, draw it towards the outer edge of the eyebrow, and then also sweep it on the inner part of the brow, and that just lifts the eye. And my next tip is to not apply the crease color directly in the crease. That's only going to make that recessed area look even more sunken in. Instead, what you want to do is apply the crease color in and slightly above the crease. That way it will draw that hooded area of your eye back. As far as adding eyeshadow to your eyelids, you may want to avoid going all the way across with a dark shade, because that's going to only make that area look smaller. Instead, take your darker eyeshadow colors and just add them to the very outer edge and swing them up into the crease. Then highlight the inner portion of your eye just to make your eye pop. If you like to run eyeshadow all the way across your lower lash line, it can make your eyes look smaller. Instead, try to apply it only halfway. When you are applying eyeliner, try not to make the line too thick or too heavy for the top. It will weigh your entire eye down. Instead, take a small angled brush, pick up a little bit of product from your favorite eyeliner, and then press it or stamp it as close to your natural lashes as possible. So those are my tips. I hope you enjoyed them. Clearly, my eyes are small and hooded, and I don't think this looks bad. However, this side gives the illusion of having a bigger eye. If you have any questions, please comment below or just send me a private message. I would love to chat with you. I will talk to you guys soon in the next video. Please make sure you like, comment, and share, and I will see you soon.